everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about GAEA or GAEA or whatever, GAEA airdrop, which is also a DePIN airdrop in the DePIN ecosystem. Okay, similar to Grass, similar to Nodepay, similar to Dawn, as well as similar to Blockmesh and the likes, Blessed Network and the likes. So I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do it using your PC. I'm currently using my laptop, that's it, and also going to show you how you can be able to do it using your mobile phone. So a quick overview is what we are going to just dive in right now. So GAEA Airdrop, as you can see on their Twitter bio, is a decentralized AI ecosystem. So future AI with blockchain and this and that. That's basically what they are doing. So they are also in the DePIN ecosystem. As you can see, this is from their official tweets, their Twitter handles, that's blockchain DePIN, and this, that's GAEA or GAEA, anyone, the way you pronounce it. So in addition to that, they are also doing their airdrop in terms of their mining, as well as how you can be able to mine it the same way you mine Grass and Nodepay on your PC. You can also be able to do that here using their Chrome extension. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how you can be able to do it. I'll put the link in the description so that you can be able to join and start mining. So if you are using your PC, this is the first page. If you click the link in the description, this is what it will take you. So if you don't have an account, your first objective here is to sign up, input your email, your username, as well as password. Then if you already have an account, you can be able to click on here and log in directly by inputting your email as well as your password. Okay, I currently have an account, that is why I do not need to sign up. But if you don't have an account, use the link and sign up, and as well as enter the code there. Okay, so I'll continue. I have already started it. So this is basically the first thing that you need to do when you sign up. This is basically the first thing that you need to do when you sign up. For you to be able to connect, okay, for you to be able to connect your GAEA extension, you go through the here, that's your Google Chrome browser. I'm also going to put the link in the description for it. Then go to your Chrome web store as well as add it to your Google Chrome. Okay, to tell you to add, you can be able to add it immediately. Then it will download just in a few moments. Once it has actually downloaded, make sure that you probably toggle it on, that's pin it here, so it will be able to come out and it will be easy for you whenever you want to log in at will. So once you have already signed up, okay, you have signed up and you have added the Chrome extension, you just basically need to do is to click on it here, and this is actually the points. Okay, this is actually the point, and it has started showing for you. Then you come to the original place that you have already started mining and you click on it. Okay, you click on it, that's it will just click on and it will start showing that it is started mining. So it has started mining, so both on your desktop as well as on your Google Chrome, both of them should be on for you to be able to get a higher points. So if you want to check your earnings, you can be able to check it via your dashboard. Then the next thing that you need to do is to come to the mission rewards. Okay, your mission rewards, they have Galaxy community, that's their Galaxy Quest, where you can be able to do your Galaxy Quest. Then there is an opportunity for you to be able to connect your Discord, connect your X handle, connect your email, follow them on their email accounts, join their Discord as well as join their Telegram, then share on X as well as link your wallets. Okay, then there is also an option of you doing your daily claims every single day. So today is the one, you can be able to check it in and claim your daily tokens, that's your daily GAEA tokens that you should be claiming every single day. So you shouldn't even be missing any one of it. Then your wallet connect is your Phantom wallet. Okay, it's your Phantom wallet that I use to be able to create it. It is on the Solana blockchain. So I can use my Phantom wallet, I can use my MetaMask. Okay, I'm going to use my Phantom wallet to be able to connect it. Then I'll be able to input my password and do the necessary. Okay, click on it, you can be able to connect your wallet as I have done. Okay, so it will just show up that you have actually connected your wallet, which is there below for me. So my wallet is showing that I've connected it. Here on top it is also showing that I have connected my wallets. Okay, so basically those are like the two things, as well as your invites, then the leaderboards. Make sure that you are also gearing up because they are launching an NFT, which is actually here, then your dashboard, and this your missions and reward. They are basically simple missions to be able to do. Okay, it's not hard and they are very few. So if you start claiming them now, there's a likelihood of you getting or farming more points. You never can tell which airdrop will be able to give you money or give you enough capital for you to be able to start trading a lot on the crypto market. So that's basically every single thing about GAEA Airdrop. My name is Oasis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thank you.